Hi! I know I don't plan on being ever as good as anybody on YouTube. I just feel like I make good videos. So if you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't, then subscribe anyway. It's always good. I don't have anything to say. This video is really short and crappy. But still subscribe! We can do this. Put my cool glasses on. We can do it. We can make some cool videos. Try these cool glasses. Okay, I'm really boring. So I say we go see the cool dog. Hello! No! Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up! Get off of me, please. You want to be on the camera? Come on then, you can have the camera, come on. You tell him how it is, dog. You're crazy. Hello. Okay, there's my dogs. I've got 2 more dogs too. Let's see if we can see the dogs. Doggies! There we go. Big doggies! Not your book. Oh, what the fuck? Crazy. And I've got the little dog attacking me now. Hey, hey guys, I want attention. Hello. There's a good picture. I look just like his picture. Thank you for watching. I know I get haters, everybody gets haters, but if you could refrain from hating, please. And just leave a comment and subscribe.